Who's ready to film?
I am.
That was actually
That's kind of a beast of a group. You really?
Hey, buddy. What's your name? What was the name again?
Frenchman.
Trent. Awesome. Nice. Sorry. Hey, buddy. What's your name? Trent. Nice to meet you. I just want to let you know I can see. I just got my level 1 like 3 days ago. So I'm seeing a little problem with your form. You're not really popping off as much. You know what? Let me show you. Watch and learn, partner. Not my best, but you see what I'm going for? That's good. But then she said that to you, didn't she?
Yeah, she talked to me about it, and I was really confused because I was like,
I thought he liked you, low key.
no, really?
No, yeah,
so.
it was cute.
No,
I liked it.
I doubt
You guys would be cute. Like,
No.
I think it's cute.
No.
No?
I don't.
Why
think
not?
so.
I told her to stop.
Yeah, that's what I don't understand. Why
I don't
she
get
was
why
like,
she would do that,
That's
though.
really weird.
She was really rude about it,
Yeah,
too. He was talking to you,
I know.
and he said that.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god! That is too good. It's I thought it was so weird that she would mention that to me.
I
because
know.
Why?
I thought her and I were cool. Yeah, this is kind of a private combo. Just pull.
Yeah.
Pull mine too, please.
And mine too.
Yeah.
Good.
Thanks.
So anyway, I was talking, and I just thought,
I know.
Why would she?
Hey, do I know you from somewhere? Probably. I am a top archer, you know?
Oh. No, I think I've just seen you out here before.
Well, like I was saying, I'm actually a top competitive archer. You want to see me put it on? Yeah. We'll take a picture, okay? I take autographs at 3 p.m.
Okay. I don't think. Are you sure that's yours?
Okay. I did get it in 2008, so it might not. You know what?
So you're not a top archer anymore.
No, I am. No.
So why is it?
Shut up!
Oh my god, it is Jenny.
She's been out here forever.
I do not miss this place. Yo, this place changed a lot since I last been here. All this, wood chips. These bales, not here. This wasn't here. Those were there. Holy shit, is that Tommy? Oh my god. Tommy, how long has it been, brother? Alright, nice seeing you guys. I got things to attend to, but I'm gonna try to come out more often, I swear. I swear. Anyways, have fun, guys.
All 30 done.
Okay, I know that one was the clouds. That one was actually the clouds. Yeah, it affects the string picture. You can't really see the clouds, but it's because the sun is normally in my face, and so like I compensate for that, but now it's too clear, and now the sun is burning my back. Oh my god. This is 70.1 meters. That's why I'm shooting bad. Problem solved.
Behind the scenes. Trenton shot an 8, so we have to redo it. Just in case I forget to say this, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below.